Who says you need soil to grow plants indoors? Imagine turning simple bowls or containers into stunning living art. In today's video, I'll show you 11 of the most beautiful and easy to grow floating plants that thrive indoors. Whether you're a gardening pro or a complete beginner, you're going to love these low-maintenance options. First up, water lettuce is another standout plant for indoor bowls. Its rosette-like structure floats effortlessly on water and helps reduce harmful algal blooms. Place it in a sunny spot and you'll see it thrive with minimal effort. If you love a pop of color, try red root floaters. This freshwater fern, native to South America, boasts vibrant red roots that look stunning in clear containers. Keep it in nutrient-rich water under bright light to enhance its vivid hue. With its heart-shaped leaves, European frogbit brings a charming vibe to any indoor setup. It thrives in calcium-rich water under partial sunlight and is perfect for adding an elegant touch to your space. Water moss, or Sylvinia, is a light green freshwater fern that's easy to manage in a bowl or a container. It grows rapidly, so keep an eye on it and prune as needed. For best results, pair it with a CO2-injected setup. Water hyacinth is a tropical gem that thrives indoors. With lush dark green foliage and beautiful blooms, it's a showstopper in any bowl. Just keep its roots submerged and watch it brighten your space. The water mimosa. This fast-growing perennial spreads across the water's surface with spongy purple-brown stems. Perfect for a medium-sized glass bowl, it grows best in bright indirect sunlight and even helps fix nitrogen in the water, making it a win-win for your indoor setup. Looking for a cascading touch? Meet the creeping Jenny. With its pretty trailing green foliage, it'll transform any bowl into a living masterpiece. Just plant a cutting and it'll root in no time, thriving in partial shade or indirect light. Indian pennywort is not just a floating beauty, but also an herb with traditional medicinal uses. It grows perfectly in shallow bowls, offering a unique aesthetic and a functional touch. But remember, this edible herb is best enjoyed in moderation. Think lotuses are only for ponds? Think again. The Bowl Lotus is a miniature version that blooms indoors in small bowls. Its compact flowers and broad leaves make it a great choice for sunny windowsills. Duckweed is a quick-growing plant that forms a vibrant green mat over the water. It thrives in various light conditions from full sun to shade and adds a natural serene vibe to any indoor bowl. Last but not least, meet marsh pennyworth. With its unique round leaves and occasional pinkish flowers, this easy-to-grow plant thrives even in low light. Just give it room to grow and it'll double in size in no time. From stunning foliage to vibrant blooms, these floating plants bring nature indoors in the most elegant way. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more indoor gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching.